Bam! Welcome to Stream Tonight. Welcome, advocates for justice, paralegal school. We provide the tools, you do the work. I'm Coach Neighbors, and welcome to Saturday night's. Okay. Okay, I know it's not Saturday night. Welcome to Stream Tonight. I want to jump on here and test some of my equipment. If I put it on and take a look at to make sure that everything works for the stream on Saturday. So the reason we're jumping on here tonight too is to let you guys know what we're going to be talking about this Saturday. One more thing here, I gotta get plugged up. So we got some new equipment and we're testing it. Now, some of it's working kind of weird because I can't see myself like I should, but I know I'm looking good, right? Okay, never mind, sorry. So tonight I want to jump on here and tell you guys a little bit about what we're going to talk about this Saturday on the 27th to 28th, Saturday 28th, May 28th, 2022. We're going to cover the eviction process and what we're doing, the changes that we're making to that process to help people get to stay in their house. Welcome to the show tonight, Dylan Shay. Welcome, good to have you. Nice to see you here. This is impressive. This is like, I just jumped in here out of the middle of nowhere, and I'm interested to see how many people show up. So, Dylan, send me an email. Email me, and in the subject title, say, I showed up. There might be something special for people that show up tonight before I shut down. Maybe not. But anyway, dude, send me an email and put in the subject title, I showed up. And thanks for showing up. So we're going to talk about the eviction process on Saturday. I have a couple that are in the ring right now fighting. And let me see here. See if I can do a screen share. Oh, I finally popped in so I can see things, what's going on now. Very nice. You guys can see I'm in my new cockpit. This is one of my new delivery vehicles. If you invest in your lawsuit package, just maybe I might get to deliver your package to the courthouse in this puppy. Let me see now. There's one thing that I want to throw on. There you go. Maybe. Bam. So tomorrow, Keith and Paris are going to call in. They are in this eviction process situation. I don't remember exactly what state they're in, but I'm pretty sure it's not judicial. And they found me after they already had the date set for the judge to give them the 10-day countdown to get the hell off of their property. So we've been running around. I've been working real close with them on the strategy, because at this point you have to do certain things and you have to make sure that you don't miss, because they're not going to let you do it smooth. Anyway, so they got their lawsuit filed against the eviction court judge, and for the first time ever, this is the first time ever, the state court or somebody in the state court told these guys that the eviction court down the street is not connected to the state court. Now, it's going to be interesting to see if that person still has a job when we get done beating their face with that. They never tell you that because they want you to believe that the courts are eviction court, JP court, municipal court are one and the same. So, and I'm imagining, and I don't know. He said he talked to the supervisor too. Well, we'll let them tell the story when they call in on Saturday. But I'm just shocked that they were told that the two courts were different. So, how can the courts be different? That's yeah. So anyway, that's that's going to be really interesting. So they were supposed to see the judge yesterday, and the judge was going to obviously do what they do, but that didn't work out for some reason. Now these guys got their lawsuit filed in federal court, and I'm real proud of them. A lot of times people get wrapped up in thinking that I can file a jurisdictional challenge, or they read the jurisdictional challenge and it sounds so powerful, and it should be powerful if they were following the law. So that's the problem. They're not following the law. So you need to get the lawsuit filed in federal court. That's your title dispute. Your title dispute filed in federal court is what you need to use to protect yourself. If that document is not filed in federal court, your pants are down. You are exposed. I don't have a better way to put it. You're exposed. That is the main thing. Now, when that gets done, you still have to stop state court process. And they don't want to stop the process. In these guys' case, that they're going to talk about on Saturday night, they're going to call in around 9:30, just like Donna did a few weeks back. In their case, the judge didn't show up. And the state court would not accept their counterclaim and told them that they were a whole different court and that they had to appeal, and then or they had to wait until the judge ruled against them, then had to appeal. And when I called for check and said, "Oh no, we're not waiting. We don't wait." If you don't know who judge to put on there, just put the eviction court judge or the head chief judge. I don't care. We don't wait, especially if you're facing the eviction process. You got no time to wait. You need to get your licks in, bam, and you need to keep getting them in. That's how you do that. So the judge didn't show up, but the attorney showed up. I'm thinking, the judge and the attorney didn't have each other's phone numbers, and then they haven't been texting each other already. So I think what is happening here is that these parties are starting to visualize the shared liability. Now, these guys got their lawsuit filed in state court. If they wouldn't let them file a counterclaim, then that's fine. We're filing the lawsuit in state court against the eviction court judge, the attorney, and the third party buyer and the state. And so that's going to be a big splash. So I talked to Keith and Paris today, and they got their lawsuit filed yesterday in state court to sue the eviction court judge. They're in the process of recusing the eviction court judge. Yeah, we can do that too, because she now has a conflict of interest. And so we're about to recuse her after they get done. I'm not saying kicking that ass. I'm not saying that. So tomorrow they're going to have the eviction court judge served and the parties served. And Keith told me today, right before he hung up, he said, "This is a lot of fun." Yeah, and that's what I tell people who get in my program. You're going to learn how to have some fun up in here. And I told him you need to stay focused and remember, when you talk to the clerk, I would tell the clerk, "Hey, this could go away. As far as I'm concerned, my part of this could go away. All you need to do is have them deliver my property deed to me as mandated by the state law. Deliver my property deed to me, remove my property information from your records. I'm good. Now, my my wife over there, she's not that good. And I'm thinking that she is going to be looking for something a little bit different than than uh, than just the title, than just the deed. I think she's going to be looking for something more along the lines of let me see here. Oh, there we go. I have to run the computer. Sometimes it gets to be a challenge. She's going to be looking for something more in the line of that. Because my wife been putting up this crap for a long time. And so, yeah, that's where we're at with that. But, if they do the right thing and deliver your property deed, maybe, you could take you can convince your wife to take a couple of these out. So our show on Saturday is going to be interesting, to say the least. And we're going to have some team members call in and tell you guys about what the program was going on and what they're doing to get to stay in their house. Now, if you are facing this foreclosure problem, or you got an attorney in your face trying to take your money, trying to get their hand in your wallet or up I'm okay, sorry. Then you need to head over to my website at winningcourtnow.com and check out your options. We got the best thing for the foreclosure stuff is the 42 to 19 USC 1983 42 USC 1983 civil rights package for foreclosure defense. I have one for traffic tickets. Then we have the judicial and the non-judicial lawsuit packages that are a little bit less than the 42 USC. But the biggest difference is in the 42 USC, you're actually going after them for violating your due process with the court procedures and processes. Their everyday processes was robbing you. So until you address that, you might as well go throw your own shit in the yard. But at least you can use the other two packages you want to get things done. Everything has been structured now to state a claim. So if they come with that crap, they're full of. I wasn't going to say that. Shit. Okay, I was. So if they come with that, they're full of crap. So the new stuff has been structured to state a claim for relief, and it's the bomb. So you guys get over to my website at winningcourtnow.com. I also have an online course for entrepreneurs and property owners who own property they're facing this problem. And I have an online course, a foreclosure offensive lawsuit DIY online course for both judicial and non-judicial foreclosures. Actually, they're the same. And everything is the same except the procedures in which to do the things are different, a little bit different in non-judicial because of the fact that you're not in court yet. Well, most people aren't in court. Some are because you're in the eviction process. In the non-judicial, you don't get in court until you get in the eviction process, but they sell your property after 30 days if you don't know what to do. So you guys tune in on Saturday so that you guys can hear from some people that's actually doing the punching and not me. I'll be in the background listening just like you guys and asking some questions to make sure that we all understand what they're doing, why they're doing it, and you can see that it's helping. They're still in their house. They didn't move forward with the eviction. The judge didn't show up, and I didn't know. Maybe he was fishing. I don't know where the judge was. The judge was not in the courtroom. It was a little too hot in the kitchen. So I will see you guys on Saturday night at 9 o'clock. The fighters are going to call in at 9:30. So that'll give us a few minutes to talk about a few things and then line up what we're going to be doing so that everybody can understand what's going on. So there you guys are. And let's see. Well, we had one person chime in tonight, so that person is going to get something special. That was the plan tonight. So, and I won't have this plan every night, but when I jump in here off the cuff, I want to see who gets the thing and jumps into the program. So the rest of you guys that didn't do it, I can't help. So I will see you guys Saturday, 9 o'clock.